The Artemis lunar base represents a monumental leap for humanity as we set our sights on the moon once again. In this video, we'll delve into the top 5 groundbreaking aspects of this ambitious project, showcasing how it aims to establish a sustainable outpost on our celestial neighbor. From innovative technologies to international collaboration, each element plays a crucial role in transforming our lunar dreams into reality. Join us as we explore the challenges and triumphs of building a base that could serve as a launchpad for future exploration, not just of the moon, but of Mars and beyond. Let's uncover the future of lunar exploration together. Number 5. In-situ resource utilization, ISRU. ISRU is a game-changer for sustainable lunar exploration, focusing on utilizing local resources like water ice and regolith to support human life and operations. By extracting water from the lunar surface, astronauts can produce oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for fuel, significantly reducing the need to transport supplies from Earth. This innovative approach not only cuts costs, but also enhances mission longevity. While ISRU lays the groundwork for sustainability, it ranks at number 5 because it relies heavily on advanced technologies and infrastructure that higher-ranked items, like habitat construction, will establish first, creating a solid foundation for future lunar endeavors. Number 4. Advanced lunar rovers are pivotal for exploring the moon's surface, equipped with cutting-edge technology to navigate its rugged terrain. These rovers are designed to conduct scientific research, transport materials, and even assist astronauts in their daily tasks. With features like autonomous navigation and enhanced mobility, they can cover vast distances while collecting valuable data on lunar geology and resources. Ranking at number 4, these rovers are essential for surface exploration, but depend on the infrastructure and habitats established by higher-ranked innovations, such as life support systems, to ensure that their missions are safe and effective in the harsh lunar environment. Number 3, Human Landing System, or HLS, is a critical component of lunar exploration, designed to safely transport astronauts from lunar orbit to the moon's surface and back. Featuring advanced propulsion systems and robust landing gear, the HLS ensures a smooth descent and ascent, even in challenging lunar conditions. Its modular design allows for versatility in mission profiles, accommodating various payloads and crew sizes. Ranking at number 3, the HLS is essential for human presence on the moon, yet it relies on the successful deployment of higher-ranked systems, such as lunar habitats, to provide a safe and sustainable environment for astronauts during their missions. Number 2, Lunar Gateway is a revolutionary space station that will orbit the moon, serving as a vital hub for lunar exploration and beyond. Equipped with advanced life support systems and docking capabilities, it will facilitate crewed missions and support robotic operations on the lunar surface. Its modular design allows for international collaboration, enabling various countries to contribute technology and resources. Ranking at number 2, the Lunar Gateway enhances mission flexibility and safety, acting as a staging point for deeper space exploration. However, it relies on the successful implementation of the top-ranked item, which will provide the necessary infrastructure for sustained human presence on the moon. Number 1. Artemis Base Camp is the cornerstone of sustainable lunar exploration, designed to support long-term human presence on the moon. This innovative habitat will feature advanced life support systems, energy generation, and research facilities, allowing astronauts to live and work on the lunar surface for extended periods. Its modular design promotes adaptability, enabling the addition of new technologies and capabilities over time. Ranking at number 1, the Artemis Base Camp serves as the ultimate foundation for all lunar activities, providing the necessary infrastructure that higher-ranked systems, like the Lunar Gateway, will support. It embodies humanity's ambition to explore, learn, and thrive beyond Earth. In this video, we explored the top 5 innovations shaping the Artemis lunar base, starting with in-situ resource utilization at number 5, followed by advanced lunar rovers at 4, the human landing system at 3, and the Lunar Gateway at 2. Finally, we crowned the Artemis Base Camp as the essential foundation for humanity's outpost on the moon. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in establishing a sustainable presence beyond Earth. We encourage you to dive deeper into these groundbreaking technologies and their potential impact on our future. Together, we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration. Let's reach for the stars.